What are we doing? I don't really like math, so.
My name is Matthew Kinsler. I'm a mathematics education major, and I'm a junior here at ETSU.
My name is Emmanuel Obaze. I'm a math major in grad school.
I'm Daryl Stevens, and I am the interim chair of the Department of Mathematics and Statistics. All right, warm-up question. What famous number is represented as a decimal by 3.1415926535? Gotta write it in the book. Okay, erase that. I guess that one was number 0, so this is number 1, because that's the way we do it in math. We start with 0. What is the sum of the integers from 1 to 100? That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, all the way up to 100.
I want to go and I want to teach secondary high school mathematics here in Northeast Tennessee.
After my undergrad thesis, I worked with modeling fluid dynamics data using MATLAB, and I was able to understand that I can do more with data science.
What was the question again?
What is the sum of the integers from 1 to 100?
Integers.
So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Matthew knows a formula for that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and Emmanuel, tell us what you did.
Alright, when you sum the integers from 1 to 100, you could take the end stem formula, the summation. If you take the summation from the back and add up 2 equations, you're gonna get twice the summation. So you're gonna get formula from that, and just plug in 100. You're gonna get this.
You're not gonna ask me how I got this?
Yeah, how did you get that?
I looked at his.
You could say that was academic dishonesty.
Yeah.
Or you could say that we're sharing information.
Either way.
Next one is a geometry question.
Especially with ring.
Draw 2 straight lines that are crossing. Okay. There we go. And prove that the vertical angles are congruent. That is, the angles that are across from each other. And it doesn't
So,
matter which ones.
These angles,
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
what does congruent mean?
they're the same size. They have the same.
Oh,
measure.
they're
So
the same
number,
angle.
same number of degrees. Yeah, same angle.
Right, okay. Yeah. I mean, they look the same.
I decided that I wanted to be a math major really whenever I was in 2nd grade. I realized that I wanted to be a high school math teacher around that time.
How do you know those are 90 degrees?
Because those lines are perpendicular.
Because you decided.
Well, yeah, it's got that thing right there. That means
Okay,
they're
that means it's
perpendicular.
perpendicular. So what if they're not 90 degrees?
Well, they are.
Yeah, but this is any angles regardless of size.
Well, but I drew them perpendicularly so I could answer that question. For 2 perpendicular lines.
Yeah, but that wasn't what the question was. That's
I know, but I'm like putting my own spin on it because I'm being creative.
I plan to go into data science as a career, so that is why my concentration is applied and computational math, and so far I can see the potential I'm going to get from the grad school.
See, you got
He got 180.
ABC. Yeah. You got ABC, and then you have CBD. Those are 2 angles that make up a straight line. So that's 180. Then we have this angle here, ABE, and then ABC. That makes up another straight line. So then you can make them equal to each other. The ABCs cancel out. Then we've got CBD and ABE.
Done. He got it too.
Yeah.
I didn't need to go through all that stuff.
Actually, I thought this one was easier than the first one, but
I agree.
well, we were supposed to do an easy and a medium and a hard. Here's the hard one. Prove that the cardinality of the real numbers is greater than the cardinality of the natural numbers. As
I don't know if they teach this at undergrad.
I don't think they do. I think that's a graduate level class.
Why are math majors the best major? This one's like a sprung one on me. I don't know. That was a good question. My gut feeling is because we're weird, but that's not good. We don't want to broadcast that one. Let's think.
I think math majors are the best majors because maths is cross-sectional across all other majors, and you get to find something like an intersection between math and every other majors here on campus.
Because we can solve complicated puzzles that nobody else can.
Would you like a red marker to draw a cardinal?
I want you to use your imagination.
I chose ETSU because of the affordability as well as the scholarships that I was offered here at the institution, and it became home so quickly for me. Yours may be more right than mine, to tell you the truth. I don't know yet.
Have you heard of stream of consciousness math? Just math. Come
Math.
on.
From Nigeria. I'm coming from a very far place, but I've been able to get acclimatized with the environment because of the people who are so welcoming here, and I just like the welcoming feeling here in ETSU.
There you go.
There we go.
You know, it's the square of those that reaches your cardinality, and then here you divide it by Avogadro's number to get the square of the cardinality, and then you always divide that by 7 because it's a prime number. And then Hess's law of sums comes in because it doesn't matter how many steps in the process you have, it all equals the same thing. Is that right?
I don't think so, but it's as good as.
Is this right?
It's my brain.
Are
Probably.
you sure this is right?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, see?
There you go.
You don't have a bird picture in yours though.
That's pretty nice. I can have one. I can do my best.
Where's your bird picture? In all honesty, what is a cardinal number?
Oh, cardinal just means that's how many of them are there. The cardinality of the number of chairs in that row is 6.
Why is it cardinality? Where does that?
I don't know. That's a good question. I have to look that up.
They used to count birds for it.
Yeah. Because birds of a feather flock together.
Yeah, we'll go with that.
I mean, look at that.
Yeah, so I was able to show that the numbers between 0 and 1 are more than the natural numbers itself. Because the bijection omitted a x in this. These are the decimal numbers in between these.
Yeah.
But there's an x in these, which the bijection omitted. So there is no one-to-one bijection. So there are more numbers between 0 and 1 than there are natural numbers. So we just use a subset of the real numbers to show that there are more numbers.
I've got newfound respect for math. I've
Absolutely.
been schooled.